You are going to love the 2015 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, remote engine start, running boards, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.